Hello folks, let's have a little bit different video here. We're gonna talk about immunology. As you may know, genetics and immunology are probably the two most important areas of the basic science. That's where medicine and science get to solve many of the important diseases like cancer, neovascular disease, allergies, or infection. In this short video, we are going to talk about innate immunity, which is the immediate or reflex response once any external agent triggers some aggression or offense or invasion to the body. In this video, we're gonna present quickly to you which cells are involved in this primary response, immediate response. First, at the top, you can see mast cells. They dilate blood vessels and induce inflammation through the release of cytohistamines and heparin. They may recruit macrophages and neutrophils. They are located in connective tissues and mucous membranes. At the bottom, one other cell is involved in allergic reactions, which is the basophil. They are also response against parasites. Basophils also release histamines and they circulate in the blood and migrate to tissues. At the bottom you can also see eosinophils. They release toxins that kill bacteria and parasites, but also cause tissue damage. They circulate in the blood and migrate to tissues. We go back at the top, the second type of cell, the macrophages, are very important cells. They are phagocytic and they consume foreign pathogens and cancer cells. They stimulate response of other immune cells as well. And macrophages, they circulate in the blood and migrate into tissues. Other important different type of cells are the natural killer cells or NK cells. They kill tumor cells and virus infected cells, and they circulate in the blood and migrate into tissues. Dendritic cells are similar cells than monocytes. They present antigens on its surface, thereby triggering adaptive immunity. Dendritic cells are present in tissues, epithelial tissues, lung, and tissue of the digestive tract. They migrate to lymph nodes upon activation. Monocytes differentiate into macrophages and dendritic cells. Macrophages in the blood and dendritic cells in the tissues. Monocytes are stored in the spleen and move through the blood vessels to infected tissues. And finally, neutrophils. They are the first responders at the site of infection or trauma. And this is a very abundant phagocytic cells that represent about 50% of all leukocytes. Neutrophils release toxins that kill and inhibit bacteria and fungi and recruit other immune cells to the site of infection. I hope you like this short presentation of the cells of the immune system, the innate type, and we're going to have other videos about immunology, innate, and cellular response. Besides cells, other substances like cytokines and proteins have also a key role in innate immunity, and we are going to address this later. Thank you.